Hey guys, welcome back. This is my garage door opener and it's horrible, so I'm going to program the HomeLink in my WK2 2015 Grand Cherokee. I'm going to program this to open my garage door. Be right back. Okay, this is going to be for garage door openers made after 1995. It's going to be different for earlier garage door openers. So, the first thing you want to do is have it in the run position. It does not have to be running, but just in the started. It just needs to be on the run position. Then what we're going to do here, since this vehicle is used when I bought it, so somebody else may have their channels programmed in there. So I'm going to clear all three channels out, and this will clear all three channels out. There's no way to just clear one channel. So, and what you do, you hold both the number 1 and number 3 for roughly, give or take, 20 seconds until that red light flashes. There we go. So those are cleared now. Okay, now what we want to do, I need to put this up within 3 inches of the HomeLink button that I want to use to open the garage door opener. And I'm going to have button 1. I've got to put this within 3 inches of it, press them both. The light will flash slowly. When it starts to flash rapidly, then that means we've got a link where we've got the channel programmed. So here we go. Hopefully this thing works. Hey, look at that. Okay, so apparently we've got the channel programmed to this frequency. So now we got to go to the garage door opener. Okay, depending on what garage door opener you have, this is a Genie Pro Max 2, and I'm guessing this is like probably a 2004 or 2003 model, because that's when this place was built. I don't think it's a newer one. Anyway. This is a Genie Pro Max 2, and this is a reset button. They will all have reset or learn buttons. What you do, we're going to press this firmly, and some of them have a light that comes on. I think this is a light here. Some of them will have a light come on to say that it's ready to learn. Okay, once we push this button firmly, and if yours has a light and the light comes on, then we have 30 seconds to go back to the vehicle and press the HomeLink channel, that channel 1. I need to press that and hold it twice for 2 seconds each time. So let's see if this, okay. So I've got 30 seconds. So now I hold this for at least 2 seconds each time. 1, 1000, 2, 1000. Oh, see that? The 1, 1000, 2, 1000. Look at that, the garage door came down. Okay guys, this stuff is super easy to do. Why put up with a bad garage remote when you can just program it through here? I'm also going to put a link in the description below for garage door opener accessories. So in case you need a garage door opener or whatever. So anyway, hope you guys learned something here. Send this to somebody who is still using a crappy remote. Subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed, please. Trying to get this channel monetized. We're really close. I want to upgrade my camera and microphone equipment. And we've got some more adventure movie videos coming too. There's Junebug. Haven't sold it yet. So anyway, God bless you guys. Love you, each and every one of you. We'll see you next time.